Hello friends, we'll solve one problem on work and time which is asked in 2018 question paper for 5 marks. Question number is 18. The question is, if 15 men can do a job in 36 days, 15 men can do a job in 36 days, how many women could do it in 30 days? How many women could do it in 30 days? For 15 men, 36 days. So, how many women could do it in 30 days? If 3 women can do as much work as 2 men in the same time. Okay, how much 2 men do the work? Same work can do by 3 women. Okay, so see how to solve this problem. For 15 men, 36 days. Okay, so for 30 days, how many men is required to finish? Okay, actually the question is asked how many women. So first what we have to do is, first we'll find how many men are required to finish in 30 days. Okay, before calculating how many women could do it in 30 days, first we'll find how many men can do it in 30 days. Because we know about 15 men can do it in 36 days. Okay, so in 30 days we'll find how many men can do it. Before calculating how many women, first we'll find how many men can do finish the work in 30 days. Okay, how many men are required to finish the job in 30 days? Clear, no? Okay, so for 15 men, 36 days. So for 30 days, more men are required. Okay, so for 30 days, 15 men. Okay, so for 36 days, 15 men. Okay, for 30 days, more men are required. So it is what? Inverse. So it is an inverse proportion. If it is inverse proportion, the direction is inverse. So x, first you have to write ratio 15 equal to first 36 you have to write 36 ratio 30. If it is inverse, first you have to write x, then 15 equal to 36 ratio 30. Then x into 30, x into 30, or x divided by 15 equal to 36 divided by 30. Okay, first x divided by 15, x divided by 15, then 36 divided by 30, 36 divided by 30. Then cross multiplication, 30 into x, 30 into x equal to 15 into 36. Then x equal to, okay, when 30 comes this side, 30, 15 into 36 divided by 30. Okay, this 30 comes here. So then 15 1 the 15 2 the 2 1 the 2 18. Okay, so x equal to 18, x equal to 18. So 18 men are required to finish a job in 30 days. Okay, 15 men are required to finish job in 36 days. So for 30 days we need 18 men. We need 18 men. Okay, for less days more men are required. Okay, so now we'll find how many women could do it in 30 days. Okay, you know how many men could do it in 30 days. Okay, now we'll find how many women could do it in 30 days. They given on condition, if 3 women can do as much work as 2 men in the same time. Okay, so how much work can do by 3 women? Okay, same work can do by 2 men. By 2 men, 3 women, then here 2 men. Okay, same work can do by 3 women, and here 2 men do the same work. So 2 men, 3 women. Okay, this is the ratio. Okay, so for 30 days, 18 for 30 days 18 men are required. 18 men are required. Okay, here it is men, here it is men. Okay, for then how many women are required to complete the work in 30 days? Okay, so we need to find x. Okay, so what is the ratio here 2:3. Okay, so 2 men do the work, the same work can do by 3 women. Okay, that's why 2:3. Okay, for 30 days 18 men are required. Okay, now we have to find for in 30 days how many women are required. Clear, no? Okay, so here for 2 is 18, for 3 it is more than 18, so it is what? Direct proportion. Okay, for 2 18, for 3 also more women are required. Okay, so this is direct proportion. Okay, so 2 divided by 3 equal to 18 divided by x. Both are in the same direction. Okay, so x you take this side, okay, and 2 take this side. 3 into 18, 18 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, 2 9s are 9 into 3 27. So 27 women could finish job in 30 days. Clear, no? Okay, so here 18 men can do in 30 days. Here 27 women can do in 30 days. Okay, so here the ratio is what? 2:3. Okay, men ratio is 2, woman ratio is 3. Okay, so here 18 ratio is 27. Okay, if you divide by 9, okay, 18 divided by 9 is 2, 27 divided by 9 is 3. Clear, no? That is 2:3. Okay, 18 ratio 27. Okay, 27 women could finish job in 30 days. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.